Want to transform those awesome Themeforest templates into your own unique website masterpiece? First, you'll need to purchase and download an HTML template from Themeforest. Make sure the template fits your project needs, considering both design and functionality. After downloading, you'll likely get a zip file. Create a new folder on your computer to store your website files. This is your project folder, central location for everything, helping you keep things organized. Then, move the downloaded zip file to your project folder and zip it there, which will provide you with the templates files, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, open Adobe Dreamweaver, go to File, then select Open. Navigate to your project folder and select the HTML file, often called index.html or something similar. Dreamweaver will display the template visually. You'll see three main views: Code View, Design View, and Split View, allowing you to view and edit both the code and the design simultaneously. Experiment with each view to better understand how Dreamweaver works. Choose the view that best suits your editing style. To customize the template's content, locate the content in the design view and start editing for design changes. The CSS files are crucial in the File panel. Double-click on the relevant CSS file. Use the Properties panel to adjust fonts, colors, and other stylistic elements. Click on any element in the design view. The Properties panel will offer options based on that element type and save your changes to all relevant files. Preview your work frequently by saving the changes and then opening the HTML file in your web browser. Repeat the editing process on different pages for a full website design. You are well on your way to having a unique website.